How do you install the lid organizer for the Pelican case 1510? That's what this video is all about. Let's roll international here. Let's get started. First of all, this case came with foam and inserts. Your case might come as a plain Jane case. If that's the case, yours will have no foam in the top. So you'll see here then that we've got 6 places that we can screw the top into. The lid organizer comes with 6 screws. As you can see by the pouches here, this is obviously going to have to be the top, because when you unzip the pouches, you don't want stuff to be coming out. So the long side is going to go on the right-hand side, and you're going to go ahead and place this inside the top. And as you're screwing into a plastic case, you want to be careful and slowly make sure you're screwing into the hole here. You can lift the netting here. You can see where the screw hole is. I would recommend using a hand screwdriver, because if you strip these out, you're done. Again, lift the net, place the screw in the hole, and slowly screw it in. Do the same for the middle. Lower side. Left side. And the middle. And you can easily place your tools in here. Keeps everything nicely separated. Easy to grab when you open it up.